Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify house values with HouseCanary, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the HouseCanary website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your HouseCanary account. Once logged in, locate the search bar on the home page. Enter the address of the property you want to verify. Click on the search icon to initiate the property lookup. Wait a moment for HouseCanary to retrieve the data. Review the property details displayed on the screen. Take note of the estimated home value provided. Scroll down to view additional information about the property. Check the historical value trends for a more comprehensive analysis. Examine the neighborhood data shown, including recent sales. Look for insights on market conditions in the area. If available, explore the comparable properties section. Use the information to compare similar houses nearby. Consider saving the report for your records. Take advantage of any tools provided for further analysis. Review the overall property insights for better understanding. Apply any filters if you want to refine your search. Explore any additional resources offered by HouseCanary for further assistance. Make informed decisions based on the data you have gathered. Conclude your session by logging out when finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.